So is that
Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Wait, so what were you saying?
I know, I'm sorry. He needs that proper introduction first.
That's right. With the video that doesn't include me.
What were you saying?
I was saying, let's see, what was I saying? I was saying that I was on a golf course when that stuff comes barreling in, and we just marked our places and then raced back, and just in time to have trees bend and everything.
It was so quickly. Like you were mentioning, sometimes you watch a whole storm move
Right.
in, but other times it just develops on top of you.
That was the danger yesterday, is we knew those storms were going to pop up right on top of us. It was just like, okay, just waiting, watching, waiting, and then when it happened, boom, off to the races. Lots of pictures yesterday. Thank you to everybody who posted pictures to Twitter or Facebook. Send them to our pics account at WSMV.com. How about this picture? Some striated mammatus clouds.
I'm sorry, what?
Striated
that?
means they're in lines.
Okay.
Mammatus clouds from Clarence and Murfreesboro as the storm has rolled through there. You get those mammatus clouds, those bulges underneath the thunderstorm cloud with pretty turbulent thunderstorms. But once the storms moved through, very pretty sunset pictures from Brent and Manchester there. The sun peeking underneath those clouds from Christine and Columbia. Murray County got some hefty straight line winds as well. Kate and Bell Buckle sent this picture of the sun just dropping below the horizon but still reflecting off those clouds. And this one from Mary in Normandy. Spectacular view of the still lingering cloud cover last night. But now we're seeing decreasing clouds across the mid-state. The last of the showers and thunderstorms dropped off the radar a couple of hours ago. We did have some additional storms last night, even a couple severe thunderstorm warnings before midnight. But since midnight, things have been calm and getting even calmer. But that allows some fog to form, so we're watching for that right now. Not too bad from the Webb School in Bell Buckle here. Actually getting the updated image right now, and very little has changed in the last 2 minutes since I last updated that image. A little bit of fog still visible in the distance, but it's starting to fade away, even from the city of Clifton here in Wayne County along the Tennessee River. Looking good in West Nashville, although it is warm and it is still fairly muggy. It's not as muggy as it was yesterday. Temperature right now is 70, so is the dew point. 70 is the tipping point between tolerably humid and uncomfortably humid. Yesterday, that number was up to around 80 degrees, which is just turn around and come back inside as soon as you walk outside kind of weather. That's how muggy it was yesterday. For right now, temperatures are in the low 70s, even a few spots in the upper 60s. 68, the cool spot in Lawrenceburg, 73, the warm locations in Hopkinsville and in Franklin. We're going to see a decreasing cloudiness trend as we head through the morning. Just the slightest chance of a shower in southern Middle Tennessee throughout the morning hours, and then should be partly cloudy and dry this afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 80s, which is hot, but it's normally hot. It's where we're supposed to be, and the humidity should at least be tolerable, even though it will still be noticeable. As we head through the day tomorrow, partly cloudy and dry conditions once again. A couple dry days in a row. How about that? And then as we head into Friday, things will start changing once again. Calm weather Thursday night into early Friday morning. Some patchy, dense fog the next couple of mornings. And then as the hotter and humider weather comes towards us, we are going to be seeing some spotty thunderstorms popping up Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Not anticipating much of a severe weather threat, but don't be surprised if a couple of rumblers roll through Friday afternoon. In the meantime, we're going to be heating up today, but not to the extent that we have the past couple of days. Mid-80s by noon, upper 80s for highs this afternoon, and that humidity, while still noticeable, is going to be much more tolerable for at least a couple of days, today and tomorrow. And then back to the mid-90s for highs on Friday, upper 90s with more humidity Saturday and Sunday. So that heat index may prompt a heat advisory from the National Weather Service over the weekend. We will keep you posted on that as the weekend slowly gets closer. Melanie?
Can't come soon enough, right, Paul?
Never.
All right, guys.